High School. For Garden Camp, ako po pala si Michelle Ardiaz.
Ako naman si Particular
Bilang future alumni po ng Esteban Abada, ako po ay nangangako na tutulong po sa mga batang nangangailangan na in the future. At magbibigay din po ako ng tulong. Isa din po ako magbibigay ng tulong at susuportahan ko din po ang mga organisasyon na makakatulong sa ating paaralan.
Ako naman, bilang future alumni ng Abada, ako po ay isa tutulong sa ating paaralan upang mapaganda at mapaunlad ang ating pinakamamahal na paaralan.
Mula sa putik na iyong mundo.
Happy 50th Golden Anniversary Esteban Abada High School. My name is Daniel V. Espiritu.
And I'm G. Lawrence Vilay.
After I graduated here in Esteban Abada High School, I will take accountancy on PLM if lucky, go to law school in the University of Diliman to study law. So I am already an alumni if I graduate next year. But 10 years from now, I will have my own job, and I hope I will be successful. And I will take part in helping the students as what the Globalist Friends or other alumni organizations are doing to us. They are supporting us in our extracurricular activities and other things that may help us on your educational values.
So I will be taking civil engineering. What I can promise to Esteban Abada is I will make it more stronger, bolder, and more establishment.